Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, February 5. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual. Morning, morning, people. Okay, so we have Bitcoin on daily. Last couple of days, or yesterday and today, not too many things we can look at. Look at the fight here last 3 days. Yeah, we had a dump, but overall we are fighting 100k. People, I saw this environment multiple times. Yeah, multiple times. It's ugly to trade a range exactly in I don't know, in a support and resistance level. Usually that range will make tons of traders giving the profit back. Don't play it. Just wait for clear setups. You can see I have the levels here. Well, if I'll make a W here, I'll take it on daily chart, for example. Lower time frame, I have from yesterday, I think, 2 levels I'm watching. Pump chaser zone and long reload zone. Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm waiting. In the meantime, I'm focusing on higher time frame on altcoins to find some levels, to see if I have something else to buy, things like that. Yeah. Not too many things we can do if the market is staying here 97, 100k, 101 and back and forth, back and forth. If you are a scalper, okay, you can play around. But if you are not a scalper, stay out and wait. Focus on altcoins. Yeah. Our direction is being misguided, is put in another place. We should look at altcoins here. You'll start seeing, all of the sudden, you'll start seeing one or two of them pumping, and really pumping. Then you're like, it's just one shitcoin that is pumping. And then you see the second one and the third one. And at some point in time, you realize, well, I missed the fucking season because I was paying attention on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is fighting 100k. It's that simple. Let it fight at 100k. It's good for altcoins if you stay above 100 or close to that level. But don't focus on Bitcoin here in a $10,000 range. No, just leave it alone. Like I said, if you are a scalper, if you're a day trader, okay, you can play some levels. Okay, I get that. So on Bitcoin here, let's put some indicators. I don't see anything to do. Let's see what market will do. Will accept above 108, 110, or will accept below 90k. It's that simple. That's why we have these levels here and we have a range. Ethereum, weaker than Bitcoin. We know that. Hopefully will recover. But if we are looking back from, I don't know, from 2024, the entire 2024, and even now we are in a range. Look at it. Low, high, and then fucked around in this area. 4,000, 2,000. Big range, and I consider we can play that range if we'll see a retest here. 2,400, 2,500. It's a good area to hunt a small W on and play the market. But we need to let the market cool off a little bit. Just look at this W. Look at this W. It's what you want to see if you want to play the daily chart. Okay? This candle, extreme volatility. It's a sign. It's a sign that we are getting closer to the exponential move. So, morning Jade, morning Bukor, morning Andrei, morning everyone. So that's my thinking here. Not even Ethereum is not something I want to focus. Okay, I'll hunt some setups, I'll set some alarms, I'll watch it from time to time, but focusing on altcoins is the essential idea now. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, let's look at Bitcoin dominance. If trading view load will be even better. Clear rejection on daily here. Clear rejection. You can see. That's Let's see. We want a bit higher again, 62 maybe, to retest this week. We don't want to see it untested. And then maybe we'll form an M. On weekly chart, we still have 4 days, 5 days to wait until this candle will close. If it will close like this, well, that is a clear rejection on higher time frame. But our time frame for the moment should be something like this. Let's see what will happen on 4-hour chart as traders. And you can see big rejection, consolidating, kind of a symmetrical triangle forming here. Yeah, we can form an M and break down. Of course we can. But also we can make a W and push higher, retest the week. So far, let's just watch it from the sidelines. It's fighting the high from I don't know, from November. Yeah, we had that pump in the 61 and then we rejected. And now we are retesting, we are fighting the same level. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's stay on daily. Clear a rejection here. Like I said, could be a manipulation and then this is the bottom. Yeah, it's possible, but I want to see the market accepting back above 003. It's that simple. Until then, nothing I can do. I suspect it's a manipulation. Usually takes some time until we'll accept back in. Will not go up and down and straight up because we want to. Will take some time until we'll accept back above 3 and then could push higher. For the moment, it's just tagging this megaphone trend line. Well, megaphone trend line. Look at it. Textbook. And I don't know, a stupid trader told you, well, looks really ugly. I see a megaphone. Megaphones are damn hard to trade. And look at it. We are tagging, we have a downtrend here, and we are tagging the trend line. Simple. Simple but ugly. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Total market cap. We are still above 3 trillion. Total 3. We are still fighting 1 trillion in my opinion. You can see we are 10% lower, but that's not a problem. We kind of have a range in a manipulation here. Also, we can call, well, this is a big M and we are trying to confirm. I don't see a close, a daily close below. If we closed here and then we'll retest, that will be ugly. But so far, I consider deviation and back in the range. I think we are fighting 1 trillion for more time. Just my 2 cents. Now, focusing on some altcoins. Let's see some of them, they did something. Well, open it's 8%. Why it's 8% plus? Well, open is in the range, at the bottom of the range, trying to do something nice to form a W. Maybe it's time to pay attention. Look at this one. Hit our level. If you had the limit order there, then you are a happy camper. And now it's kind of 20% higher. Look at it. Just a coincidence that we had the weekly W retest there. Let's put the weekly. Yeah. Stupid trader told you, well, this is a good level. When the market was here, nobody was, no, it'll never go back. Well, luckily, we got that level. We're getting lucky and lucky lately. Yeah. Morning, Stefan. Morning. Yeah, pretty. If this is not the best level to hide your limit order, I don't know. Look at it, people. It's textbook one. Look at this. It's retesting the lows, the monthly W from 2023. Just look at it. He's not dead. We bought the weekly W. We bought with a little old lady or dollar cost average. We don't have a stop loss here. If you have more room, you can add to your trade to lower your price. To lower your price on overall. Why not? But respect your plan. Volume. Let's put a volume profile here. Come on. Look at it. What it's doing is just testing the POC. You are not bullish enough. Doesn't matter that will take 1 week, 1 month, 3 months for this price action to touch the POC maybe, or make a W here and push higher. Doesn't matter. As an investor, you don't care about what will happen next week. But look what happened in the past. I think you'll be a happy camper if you'll buy here and then all of a sudden you'll see a retest of this week. Here's my 2 cents. Similar here. Look at this price action. Come on. Weekly W breakout retest. We retested multiple times here. Look at it. Gala, similar. Look at this consolidation tells me that at some point in time we'll have an explosion in volatility to the upside, I think. And imagine, people, I'm not saying, well, we'll take the all-time high. It's possible, but not probable. So taking this all-time high and this all-time low and putting a short reload zone. Simple, basic TA. Well, tell me, you'll be happy if you bought something at 2.5 cents and you sold it at 50 cents? How much you have there? I think you can have something here. I think so. SSV, the influencer favorite, or Noodle Strudel's favorite. Well, SSV will do great things. Yeah, I still think they could do great things. But let it finish this deviation. And a deviation it is. You can see we are closing above. Let's put the daily chart. That was the low, and look at it. We rejected, we closed the second, and now if we form a W here in this area, well, that's a good sign. We can be patient and wait for a small W. Hopefully we'll get a small W. Well, that will be great. Hey, Arjun. Yeah? So focus on the right thing, not on Bitcoin. Well, has a range, nothing I can do. Okay. But look at the altcoins. Some of them are pumping. Some of them are not pumping yet. Because I don't know how many of you know that in the last part of the exponential phase, everything is pumping. Okay, not everything will do 10x, 100x. And yeah, Bochan is right what he's saying. You cannot expect 10, 20x just buying a shitcoin and waiting. Indeed. But everything will pump. You'll sell half on a double and you get in a free position. If you want to maximize, well, you have to select. You have to be more selective. But even if you are not selecting, let's say you listen to someone and you bought some altcoins. If 10% of them will do, I don't know, 20 and more X, and the rest will do only 5X, I think you'll still be happy camper. Idea is to be consistent. Idea is to follow the plan and don't panic and don't put emotions in investing. Because when everything is pumping, you'll have the opportunity to book some profit. You want to maximize, you want to be on the line, okay. Join Premium and follow Bochan on Hand of Midas. Stefan is putting levels, Bochan is giving ideas. Almost everything is on chain. Okay, you have the chance to maximize the profit there. Or put part of your investment in that plan. Put the rest on a last chance challenge, also on Premium. Or put it in the road to financial freedom. There are a lot of ways to invest. Or make your own plan. We have a spreadsheet that could help you with that. Road to Financial Freedom has a good spreadsheet. You just go and copy that spreadsheet and you can use it. But I bet not even 20% of the people on Crypto Traders Arena know about the spreadsheet, and not 5% of them, they studied the spreadsheet. Well, what I can do with this spreadsheet? But if I'll put, I don't know, $100 access on it, and I'll put it on X, and I'll promote it as the best thing ever, well, I bet that I could make some money. And people, well, I'll buy this one. That will help me. If it's free and I put it there, nobody wants to take it. Sorry, but that's the reality. If I'll promote that one as the best thing ever, people will pay for it. And now you have it there. It's sitting there. At any point in time, you can go and make your own copy, and you don't give it value. And it's not even for premium, it's for everyone. You just go on the road to financial freedom plan, look at pinned messages, you see the spreadsheet, you see the road to financial freedom plan, copy the spreadsheet, and it's your own. There are similar or maybe even ugly spreadsheet for sale at some influencer. Of course they are. This one was made by professional. I could guarantee you that. It's automatically taking the price from CoinMarketCap. Every day. You just know how to set it up. Okay. So, that's the idea. Focus on altcoins. I'll say it again and again and again. Focus on altcoins. Now, look at this one. Look at it. Took the lows here, some lows, and pumped. Made a double. Our level was filled. Okay, people, let's go on lower time frame and see what we have. Bitcoin, 1 hour chart. Seems like we want to do a W in the pump chaser zone. Not the best one. A bit ugly, but the price action is there. You can see. We are fighting pump chaser zone. We'll succeed to make a W and we'll push higher. Well, you can see what's happening there. If we'll not get a clear W here and we'll dump, well, we have the long reload zone. You can see the same price action I want to see. Not exactly textbook, candle by candle, but you get the idea. W, breakout and retest. That's my thinking there. When the market is just sitting here, don't try to scalp in and out, in and out, in and out. You'll pay tons of fees and you'll decimate your portfolio. Just leave it alone until you'll have a clear setup. Okay? Ethereum, similar, a bit stronger, you can see. We didn't pump so much, we just touched 61.8, but now, yesterday, Ethereum is a bit stronger than Bitcoin. It's trying at least. I could see a Dalai Lama forming here, getting a double and pushing higher. Yeah, I could. I prefer to see the market dumping here in the pump chaser zone at least to give me an entry. But at the same time, Ethereum is known not giving you a proper setup and a proper retest. You know that. And the rest of the altcoins, they are just playing around. Huh? For what, Arjun? For selecting a coin based on what? On day trading or on investing? In investing, you should stay with the big ones if you don't want to do fundamental analysis, because they have a reasons that they are in the first 100 coins, no? Or first 200, I don't know. Yeah. Or if you want to invest with to know what you are doing, if you know what you are doing, yeah, you can do some fundamentals. Starting with community, starting with how many coins. There are a lot of things on fundamental analysis what you can do. But okay, I have a coin fundamentally strong and I don't have technically any level to buy it. It's high, it's in the middle of nowhere. What the fuck I should do with that? So you need technical, of course. Fundamental, if you want to maximize, yeah. But tell me what fundamentals meme coin had in this cycle. In the long run, yeah, I know meme coins will go to zero. I know that. 99.99.99%. Okay. But you saw we have 1 year of staying in meme coins and meme coins pumping Smart people making money on meme coins. What fundamentals meme coins had? But the TA is the same. Just my 2 cents. Now, Pingu. Pingu. Look at it. I could see an LJ here. Can you see it? Yeah, breaking down. Tagging the trend line, accepting above the trend line, don't chase, wait for a W. Well, this is the W. Take it or leave it. It's just a setup. 55% if I remember correctly on LJ. It's at the entry. Okay. I played this one. I played it with Holy Grail last night in 1 minute. Stop me out in profit. No problem. Small profit, but I was out. But I could see an LJ. I could see this one trying to form a bottom and push higher. All the altcoins look kind of similar here, trying to form a bottom. TIA. I want a long reload. I don't think I will get it. I don't know. But remember, $3. My gift level, I was talking about it long time ago. We got that level and now we are accepting back above. We are consolidating above $3. Don't say, well, Tia promised a lot and now he's not doing anything. He's not doing anything for the moment. And it's actually behaving really nicely for us. Why? Well, what the fuck I should do with Tia at $20? Nothing. At $10? Nothing. At $5? Well, maybe I'm interested. $3? Well, that's something I want. So he's doing exactly what we want and we are upset that he's not pumping. Well, he's not pumping now. But you want Tia to go down, no? Just look at it. You want to buy Tia here? I know some of you bought Tia at $20. No, you want Tia to go down, make a W, consolidate, make another W, make another W, consolidate even more, and at some point in time to touch $20 and maybe 100. Who knows? Where you want to buy? Here at 20, here at 10? No, you want to buy as low as possible. So $3, look at the chart, looks like a good level for me. So complaining about Tia is not performing. I saw some people on Twitter, oh, it's not performing, it's not. Well, motherfucker. That's what you want. That's what you want to play. Why you are complaining? You should dollar cost average. You should buy the lows. How you want to enter in the market? At the top? No, I want as low as possible. It's a guarantee that will pump from $3 to 100? No. But it's almost a guarantee that from $3 will reach $6. And that will give me the opportunity to sell half on a double, get my fucking money back in my account, and I'm a happy camper after that. People, we are not building, we are not going to the moon on, with Elon Musk. We are not, micro-engineering and we are not making nanobots here. It's easy. You have to be consistent. Indeed, you have to have a plan. You have to respect that plan. I know emotionally it's hard, but on the other hand, people, it's not so hard that you cannot do it. It's doable. That's all that matters. So focusing on other stuff and not paying attention on Tia here, I'll be honest with you, it's just stupid in my 2 cents about everything. I don't see people looking, well, look at Tia. Look at Tia, how nice it is. I don't see people on Twitter. I don't see people on crypto trade. I don't see people anywhere. Look at Tia. Look at that fucking level. I was waiting for years. I have 1 year waiting for Tia. It's finally at that level. No. They don't care about Tia. In the same time, people, when you look at Tia, maybe you should go on CoinMarketCap, for example, and study something. That's for beginners because the people who have some experience, they know already. Okay? I put CoinMarketCap, you could put CoinGecko, I don't know. It's up to you. Tia. Yeah? And I put the price there and you can see. Let's put all the history. And you have a chart. Yeah, look at this chart. Looks similar with what we have on TradingView. But it's not hard to do this. Well, something is different there. Can you see it? So look at the chart here. Yeah, and look at the price. Yeah, the price is telling us that the high was here, and if I put the market cap, well, you can see we are not that low. We are just retesting the W. So look at the market cap, because it's important. If you see price at all-time low and you see the market cap at the all-time high, I don't think it's the best opportunity for you. Yeah. This one looks acceptable, not the best. Yeah, not the best. I'll show you something. Let me show you a different one. Again, for beginners. Dimension. Price. Let's put the all-time price. Look at it. It's going to all-time low. Well, I should invest. It's low. Really? Well, let's put the market cap. Yeah? It's not looking so attractive anymore. It's still indeed. Remember this one, for example. Look at it. Look at it. Small unlocks. Let's see what we have from February. How many dimensions will unlock day in and day out? Well, we need a lot of hype and a lot of buying pressure to cancel that. What do you think? What core contribution team will do with the coins? Please tell me. What the fuck they'll do? They'll burn them? Well, then that's a good thing. They'll sell them in the market on all the exchanges? Well, that's not the best thing. Anyway, you got the idea. So people, it's easy. You don't have to know too many things. Just go and look at the market cap. If you see the market cap is pushing higher and the price is going down, they are printing coins. It's better to stay in USDT, because that one is diluting slower than a shitcoin. You get my idea. So, people, I want to hear about you buying TIA here or similar coins. I'm not saying it's a financial advice what you should do with your own money, but I'll be more than happy to see you framing setups and thinking, well, I'll dollar cost average here. I'll do something. Look at this one. Similar, huh? Taking the lows, and this is a fucking good example for CoinMarketCap, I think. Let's see. Price. Entire history. Well, you can see 1.3 is going down. Look at it. It's buyable, I think, if you want to invest. Okay. Market cap. Well, it's not so nice. Look at it. They are printing. They are putting coins in the market. Look at the market. We just made an all-time high in December, when the price was doing what? So something is not quite okay on this one. Could pump? Of course it can. If the hype is good enough, could go even to the all-time high, and maybe even more, depending how much people they wanted and on what price. But you get the idea. It's a thing you should pay attention. I'm talking with beginners. Old people, they know that. They know better than me. So, TIA, TAO, long reload zone. Look at this volatility. You think TAO will go straight up from here after a week like this? Maybe needs to consolidate this W. I know that this is all the price action we have on Binance, but if you take the entire history, you'll say, well, maybe I should wait for a W. Just my 2 cents, people. Let's put daily chart. Maybe we have something else. A retest in this area, $300 will be more than okay. Solana. On daily. Well, Solana made a new high, pumped, dumped, and we are holding as support $200, which is not bad. It's not bad. I'll chase here. Nah. Solana is for setups. Solana is for if you have it from, I don't know, $20, $30. below $100, okay, hold it. But to invest in Solana now, to buy Solana on spot and hold it, well, what Solana could do could go to $500 to $1,000. That's max 5x. No, thank you. I have Solana. I'm playing meme coins and shit coins to get more Solana. I intend to sell Solana close to the top, not here. Hopefully. But it's not a coin I want to invest. I want to trade it. And I'm hunting here. You can see I'm hunting. I have the long reload zone. Give me a W. Another one. Well, fat. Similar. This long reload zone is not valid anymore. We took the lows. Similar here. Now the only valid one that we are left with is this one. Huh? This big long reload zone. Well, not short, man. No, look at it. We're at 8.6. Give me a W similar to this. Look what happened. Yeah, we had the exact same price action, and maybe we can get the same. Manipulation, deviation, W, and up. Kind of a retest, but not good enough, and higher. So wait for a price action like this. Some W's to form and take the W. You have an example if you look in 2024. This one is making the same pattern. I said it multiple times. Look at it. If it's a deviation, power of 3, well then wait and play the power of 3 setup. Power of 3, it's in useful in the setups on the premium part. You have a description there. Stefan put it, I don't know, last week. Well, people, I could blab away the entire day. We have last week for late registration on Capua 1. If you want to learn what I'm doing here, I'm not using overcomplicated things. Simple tools, consistency, a good plan, and you are ready to go. I'm teaching what I know on Capua 1. Yeah? You need to know the base to do something. And what I'm teaching in Capua 1 is more than enough to be profitable if you are consistent and if you put the time and effort. 2 places left for late registration. We'll close that this week, at the end of the week. Capua 2, the same. If you are a good trader and you want to become sharper and even better, okay, join Capua 2. DM Stefan for that. VIP registration will close at the end of today. I think we have 2 or 3 places only from 50. I will not do any exception. Who'll DM and will pay first will get the place. We'll close the registration until next month. We want to focus on trading. Luckily we had a range here. We didn't have anything to do, so we can take all the requests and get people in VIP. And after we'll close the registration, no more exception. Please don't even DM Stefan or me. I want a place. You had enough opportunity. I was talking about VIP an entire week. No? I know some people DM Stefan already, but they didn't pay. The rule is simple, people. The rule is fucking simple. Who will pay first will get the place. We don't have to overcomplicate things. If you really want in VIP, you'll do the payment. That's simple. DM Stefan for VIP, not me, please. Stefan is taking care of posting and everything on VIP. I'm just helping Stefan on VIP from time to time when he has something to do, when maybe he needs some help from another standpoint. But Stefan is taking care of VIP. So, if you like how Stefan is trading, join VIP. If you want to stay with me and get access on Holy Grail and everything and be a premium member, well, it's less than a coffee a day, people. $1.2 I calculated. If you pay for 1 year, if you split it, you'll find out that it's $1.2 a day. And you'll see the live stream in the New York, you'll see potential ideas, access on Holy Grail, and I think you want access on Holy Grail and this nice environment. Yeah, Sebastian, that's a good saying. Yeah, one coffee a day keeps liquidation away. Well, if you are following us, you'll definitely don't have any chance of being liquidated because we are using setup stop losses on trading, and on investing is almost impossible. We are buying the bottom, selling half on a double. So how the fuck you can get liquidated? Okay, people. That being said, let's frame some setups. I'll go on VIP with Stefan and frame some setups, hopefully. My favorite tool, I'll tell you what's my favorite tool on lower time frame, 5-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart. I'll start with 1 minute. And I'll show you what I did last night. People, that's my tool. That's my fucking favorite tool. You can see, I saw the W's here. I saw that we changed the direction. I took the first entry. Okay, I moved my stop loss in profit and I got stopped out here. Well, next boss. I see a range. I'm not touching it. But this is my favorite tool. Holy grail. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is the best. Even 50-minute chart. If you know how to play it, you can make some money. To the upside, to the downside, doesn't matter. Look at to the downside here. You had a lot of short entries if you want to play. When the market was pushing higher, let's find out on Pengo. You can make some money on the upside also. So that's my tool. When I'm scalping, I'll let Stefan playing around on VIP and put a lot of time and effort to frame some setups, and I'm just, well, I have my cheat code. I just go on Holy Grail, find some trends and just play them around. But that's me. I know. I made this indicator. I made this algo. I know how to play it. You want to learn? Well, first you have to have access on it. As simple as that. It's not easy. Not easy to play with Holy Grail. Why? Because you can get some 5, 6, maybe more stop losses in a row. But when you book a 10R, when you book a 20R, a 30R, a 50R on a trade, well, that will compensate for everything. Okay, people. That being said, let's call it a live stream. Hear you again in the New York session if you are a premium member. If you are a general member, see you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. I don't see requests. Hopefully. I don't see anything. No. So, hit the like button if you want. Or if you don't want, don't hit it. We have 16 from 35 or 40 people that are watching. Not good, not bad, not terrible. If you want to help us, I'm not asking for likes here. Retweet the tweet I'm posting on general chat about this live stream. Yeah, so that will be the request. I'm posting on Arena the link also. So if you want to join Arena, it's a nice way to do some tipping, do some contests, lose time on stars on Arena here. I think has a great future, but we'll see. Okay. That being said, let's call it a live stream, people. See you next time. Bye bye.